just be. Don't take it. Take it. Just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying.
Hey, my beautiful babes, welcome back to the channel, or welcome in if you are new. Welcome in if you are new. Sweet Angel here. Today I'll be trying these designer nail foils, yes, that I purchased from Amazon with my own coins. Yes, because I wanted to find out how these work, what they work like, and what it do. Okay, so you saw me earlier. I had in my hand the Top Coat by McCart. These nail foils again are just from Amazon, my favorite place to shop, of course. So we're going to check them out and see what they're all about. There are a variety of nail foil designs, from the Chanel to Louis to Dior to Gucci. All of that is right here. We are going to be also trying out the McCart Nail Art Foil Gel as well. So all of these items are new to me. Yes, and they are from Amazon. Isn't Amazon just the place to shop? Do y'all know what I'm saying? Yes, this nail art foil gel is something that I wanted to try out, and I understand it's one of the best to use for your nail foil designer, flowers, whatever you're going to use as far as your foil. Whatever you're going to use, it's perfect for that. So I'll also be using this cute little tool here that's going to help to like smooth out the foil when I put it on. Amazon. Again, Amazon is just the place to shop, and y'all know I love it. And I'll be using my Melody Susie nail lamp right here. All of the links for everything will be listed in the description box. If you know your girl Sweet Angel, you already know I got you covered, right? Yes, indeed. But you know, I'm new to this whole thing, so I have to read my instructions here. So it comes with, you know, your directions on what to do and how to do. I just wanted to make sure that I knew exactly what I needed to do in order to make sure I don't mess up my nail foil. I don't want to mess it up because, you know, you spend your money and you want it to be just right. So after I got all of the info, guess what? Your girl was ready to get going with her design on these nails. Well, you're only going to see one nail today because I'm just practicing, just trying to make sure I got this thing right, because again, I don't want to waste anything. So I had to decide on which one I wanted to use, but after much deliberation, I guess I came up with do I want this one? Do I want the Chanel? No. I decided not to do the Chanel. I actually decided on the Gucci gold like. So what I did, I chose my nail polish, and these polishes, of course, you've seen them before. I probably have reviewed them on the channel somewhere along the lines, but I'll have it linked below. I wanted to take this brown shade, and I'm just polishing my nail, and excuse me for momentarily being out of the frame, because you know, sometimes your girl she don't get it right because I be concentrating. But I polish my nail with this brown shade here. And just to let you know, this nail actually is a PolyGel nail that I did with a nail form. I was so excited about it. I did record a video on it. You'll see it in the list of videos that I have here, or I will also link it in the iCards, and I'll try to remember to put it in the description box as well. But I did my first nail form, And y'all, honestly speaking, I have been loving doing my PolyGel with nail forms. So check out the videos I have that's already up, that should be coming, because that's my new thing. Okay, so now let me go ahead and cure this under the lamp for just 30 seconds. That's all I'm going to do. So that looks cute. So now I'm going to figure out how to use this nail art foil gel by Macart. And it says to simply put it on your nail. Yes, just polish it on. And then all you have to do is basically cure it in the lamp, just as you would any gel polish. So that's exactly what I did. After curing for 30 seconds, pretty much all you need, or 60 seconds, whichever you choose, then simply grab your foil. And like I said, I'm all with the Gucci foil today, so this is what we're going to do. This beautiful gold, and I think that'll show up so well using this brown gel polish that I decided to do. So I'm just going to cut off just the amount that I needed. Now, y'all, I learned a big lesson once I got into this. I realized that I didn't quite center it like I should have, but we're going to deal with that on a future video, because now that I know, your girl knows. But I did smooth it on with my finger, just lining it up, and then I took this handy dandy little tool that's perfect for applying designer or any nail foil to your finger nail. So this is what I'm doing, just pressing it on and making sure that I cover each and every little millimeter of this nail. I'm just trying to make sure I have it all laid out, and all it takes is these pressing motions. Y'all, I was so impressed by how simple this was. And again, these are foils, nail foils. I purchased them from Amazon, and they are incredibly easy to do. Check this out. Now make sure you use a nail foil gel. That's going to make it even more easier. So I'm spreading it on and making sure, again, I cover every little piece of this nail to make sure I get every single piece of the nail foil laid onto the nail. And since you pretty much know what I'm doing, I'm just going to speed through that process until I get it laid on perfectly. Just taking a look, and I just said, oh, let me make sure I got it on good, and boom, boom. Is that not cute, or is that not cute? Oh my gosh. If I had known this was going to be that simple, I would have done this a long time ago. Why? Where have I been? Under a rock? Yeah, probably. But nails are so easy to do these days because they have every single tool that you'll ever need. Now it's as simple as this. Just apply the top coat to the nail, cure it, and girl, you finish. You're pretty much done. As simple as that. So now I'm just applying this Macart top coat to the nail and just cure it for 30-60 seconds. And guess what? I just wiped it off with some alcohol, and beautiful babes, look, a designer nail using nail foil. Just that simple. Y'all, I feel like I am a professional at this. I know that I'm not, but you know, guess what? I can at least pretend, because this is so simple that you would know that I did not go to the salon to get it done. And honey, girl, put on your nail oil and boom, she good to go. This is of course my Cuccio that I love so much from Amazon. Yes, everything that you need right on Amazon. I love it, I love it, and I love it some more. So if you like this and want to do this, you can do it. If I did it, you can do it. Check out my links below to Amazon. They are my affiliate links. I am an Amazon influencer, so be sure you check out my links, because honey, I'm coming with nothing but the best for y'all every single time I come on here. And bada bing bada bang, you have your designer nail. Boom, just like that. Gorgeous, incredibly gorgeous. I absolutely feel that anyone can do this. If I can do it, you can do it too. There you go, beautiful babes. Thank you so much for coming to hang out on Sugar Fingers. This is where we get cute at, right here. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the post notification bell, and please, always, as we say, keep the hair, the face, the hands, and the feet looking gorgeous. And I will see you on the next video, and it won't be long, because we're doing it right here on Sugar Fingers. See you later, beautiful babes. Bye now.
Trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life at a